TEMA Automotive provides a capability to add stick figures to a tracked image in order to visualize the motion of, say, the limbs of a crash test dummy. Once you have set the targets up, bearing in mind that they should be placed both for data acquisition and for stick figure use, you can set up the stick figures. First, go to the stick figure icon and put it on the points list. Right click on it and start building your stick figure. We're going to start and join the head to the shoulder. Then we're going to add the shoulder to the elbow to the wrist, and so on. In this way we're building a stick figure for all the targets on the dummy. Once we are complete, we can say OK, and now you will see in the red lines of the stick figure on the dummy. We have previously tracked the points in the image, and so now we can watch the stick figure motion as the dummy moves forward. As you can see, the targets in this case could have been better placed for the stick figure use.